How to fix universal remote not working with Samsung TV. So there are one of two options for this. You either want to press and hold the return button alongside the guide button at the same time down like so, or the return button and the play button down there at the same time or so. You've got one of two options there. Try both of them, making sure you're pointing the sensor towards the sensor on your TV. So from the sensor on your remote to your Samsung Smart TV, press and hold one of those, the guide with the play button or the guide with the other button. Try both of those. If they don't work, make sure you've actually got the batteries put in correctly and also ones that have charge still left in them. That might be the other issue that you're having with this. If you've tried pressing and holding both of those and it doesn't work, what you need to do is just take the batteries out of the back, put new ones in. If that doesn't work, essentially your remote is broken and you need to buy a new one. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.